Every diagnosis, every procedure, every patient record tells a story. But how do hospitals turn that story into data the entire healthcare system can understand? A single miscoded diagnosis can misdirect patient care, misallocate NHS funding, and expose a hospital to legal risk. The people who prevent that are clinical coders. Introducing the Clinical Coding Course. CPD accredited, this course is built on real NHS coding systems. Master ICD-10, the universal code behind every diagnosis, OPCS-4, the system that records every clinical procedure, and SN-OMED-CT, the shared language of modern healthcare. Learn clinical terminology, confidentiality law, and the ethical framework that governs every record you touch. This is not data entry, this is clinical intelligence. Take your next step to translate a doctor's notes into the data that keeps the healthcare system running smoothly. Enroll today to start coding. Start mattering.